Hello and welcome to this presentation of Excel2Sage. My name is Oren Martirosian and I'm going to run you through the latest features of version 2020.09.01. As an existing customer, you will shortly receive an email telling you about the new features of the program, and some of the key things are its compatibility with the latest version of Sage, which is coming out, version 27, as well as the system requirements. We've added a whole lot of new features in the user interface, so let's just run through some of those. So this is what the new product looks like, and what we've done is we have changed the bars at the top and also some of the features here. So for example, if I start at the top, you've always been able to email support if you have any queries, but you now have the ability to book a support session. So by clicking on that, what that will do is it will take you to the support desk calendar, because we know you're all busy. So this then allows you to see what's available and then book a slot accordingly. The next bit is for remote support. So should our support team need to get onto your machine to see firsthand what the issues are, then they will ask you to click on that, and that will then enable them to log in and have a look for you. The help file has been extensively upgraded, and it shows all the details of the different features that can be done and what the requirements for each one of the columns is. We have a frequently asked questions section on the website to allow you to get up and running quickly with all of the latest and most popular queries that have come across the support desk. We've also changed the facilities within the system to allow an internal, if you like, Excel engine to run, and this makes life a lot easier for starting the data and being able to validate it, and it gives us the ability to extend the scope of Excel2Sage substantially in terms of functionality going forwards. Obviously, you can continue to use your existing Excel, which is installed locally as well. The look and feel of the system is now available for change using various different skins. The default is Bezier, but you can change it to any of these. So some of the more popular ones are things like dark mode, which is recently added to Windows, and we support those as well. But by default, we use Bezier. The front screen also allows you to see the spreadsheet that you're loading from, as well as the company that it's going to go into, and you can easily change it from here rather than having to go into the configuration tab for that. The other thing is that historically you've been able to tick multiple imports to get it imported, but now you can then just double click on one of the icons and it'll automatically just go off and import that particular option for you. The log file is updated with details of what has just occurred, and we've now got better search facilities, or more quick search facilities. So if I wanted to see all the successes, I could just click on success. I could see that. If I was looking for all the errors, I could do the same. I could see all of those. Or for example, if I was looking for a particular entry like the red 004 and I wanted to see what had happened, that will go and find the search log, and it'll then highlight all the ones that are available with the thing that I'm looking for. We've also got improved archiving of logs, so that shows all the logs that have occurred, and we can obviously go and then open those up and view those accordingly. If I'm looking for, if we're looking for historic log transactions. The system has also been updated in terms of license checking, so there have been improvements on automatic license upgrades which can take place as well as the company tab automatically finding the companies that you have access to, though that can also be changed using the details here to be done manually. We've also given you the ability to start a new log file on startup, which is also very useful, so that you can then focus on the transactions that you've just brought in. Furthermore, down here the load types have been extended and will continue to be extended as new data sources become popular in our user base and with our new prospects and customers. Thank you for your time and interest in Excel2Sage. I hope you find the new features that we've put into the latest version of interest, and please feel free to contact us if we can be of any help. Thank you.